Hi, today I will teach you how to make DIY tasa. So watch the video till end. You have to join the high voltage module and battery with help of glue gun. Keep the high voltage end free. Drill a hole close to the neck of the bottle. Make sure that connecting switch with long wire. Take out the switch through the hole you made. Use glue gun to secure it in its place. Take two small size screw and drill it through the cap of the bottle. Take out screws out of the cap and solder it to the high voltage wires. After soldering the screws, put them back on cap. Join the cap with high voltage module with help of glue gun.